Private equity and venture capital are two terms quite familiar in the world of investing. But do you know that the way they operate is pretty different? In this video, we'll briefly throw light on the same. First of all, private equity and venture capital are not the same. And knowing the difference can open your eyes to how businesses really grow. Private equity firms are powerful financial institutions that provide funding to companies. But the kind of companies they invest in is where the distinction lies. Venture capitalists usually look for young, early-stage startups. Think brand new tech firms or small businesses with high growth potential. They provide seed money or early funding in exchange for a stake, hoping that one of them becomes the next big thing. On the other hand, private equity firms typically invest in well-established private or unlisted companies. These companies are not starting out from scratch. They already have operations and revenue but need a boost, either to scale up, restructure, or become more profitable. Private equity firms pool money from institutional investors or high net worth individuals. They use this capital to buy stakes in these established companies and, quite often, take control of management decisions. Their goal is very clear: improve the company's value and eventually sell it at a profit. That sale could happen through a public listing, a merger, or even an acquisition by another company. And they usually hold the investment for a few years before making their exit. So, if you imagine venture capital as planting seeds and hoping they grow, private equity is more like taking a full-grown tree, pruning and shaping it, and then selling it at a higher value. Both play critical roles in the business ecosystem, but their strategies, risk levels, and target companies are very different. Understanding this difference is key if you're diving into the world of investments, entrepreneurship, or finance. Because knowing who's funding what and why can change how you view business growth entirely. We hope you've gained significant knowledge from this video. Hit like and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.